Here is Starmatch, Get It Now app. Yeah, like how to use it. Starmatch finally here. Easily log in, reveal your Starmatch, start chatting. Starmatch offers a weekly auto renew subscription. Yeah, like this is just for upgraded options. So first of all, this is the app built by Iconic Hearts, which already built few viral apps such as Send It. There is Send It for Instagram, Locksmith widget. These apps, got a lot of users, a lot of reviews, like actually millions of ratings. It's in the top charts. So they have now a new app. There is a lot of hype around it. It also entered the top charts of the social networking category, but then slowly it went down. But it's still among 200 apps in US in social media or lifestyle. But yeah, it's kind of like a dating app, as I understand. So if you open it up, you just see then all of these profiles, and then you can just start chats with those. I actually don't exactly understand what that is. Is Are these like chats with AI bots, or like are these real people? I have no idea. So if you start chatting, you instantly receive a reply. So seems this is not real people. You can get some additional money, $10 now, if you share invites. So this is some gross hacking. Then you can just buy gems to chat more, and then yeah, you can if you wanna, you can upgrade to have instant replies, 50% of all chats, reveal exclusive profiles, night mode. And then this costs well, let's check how much. So it's like $9 per week. So it's quite expensive. It's even more expensive than NGL app or something or similar apps where the pricing is like $7 per week. So you have that. But yeah, if you just start chatting with the person, you instantly get a reply, and a lot of these replies here, as you can see, yeah. So maybe, yeah, if you just open it up, there's a link to Instagram, and it's like so 1 million followers. I don't know how that works. So maybe these are like AI profiles or some, I don't know if these are like models or why there are instant replies. So there are a lot of questions about this app. I don't know like the whole concept of it, but yeah, obviously people who built it have something in mind, as they already built few top viral apps. So maybe they just testing new technology with AI, or they want to move AI into dating sphere. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then yeah, you just have your profile. You can change your username here, and then there are all settings, and then you can delete your account here in the bottom if you like to, or you can log out. So that's basically the idea. I don't know if this app is available on Android or Google Play Store. So yeah, that's what it is.